Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Welcome to part 4 of our radical class. We are going to learn something interesting. Are you ready? Let's go! The first radical we will learn is this one. Its historical shape looks like a person who is bowing to greet others. So this radical means person. For example, the character 你, which means you, contains this radical. What about this one? What does it look like? Yeah, I think some of you got the right answer already. It looks like a standing puppy. So this radical means animal. The character 狗, which means dog, has this radical. So these two radicals, the left one means person, and right one means animals. For the right one, I think you will find that lots of animal Chinese characters have this radical. Here are 4 characters. Can you guess the meaning of them and match them? I think you can finish the task by organizing their radicals.